today I'm on my bike, so you guys are coming on my bike. So like, yeah, I'm just going around the block today though. Only because I have stuff to do. Like here. Where's my baby? Wait, it's not? Yeah. It's a top. So like, yeah. And there's some oil here because the sprinklers on. There's oil on up there. They're like that house like green one. So like, yeah, it's like so calming. It's just like going around the block. You know? And this short only goes for 3 minutes, so I'll be quick. If the short ends, it's because yeah, the 3 minutes up. But yeah, I'm going as fast as I can. I also like hurt my foot, so this is a great exercise for it because I'm using the pedals. There's a car. Like, yeah, I have to cross. So here you guys. No car coming, guys. So let's cross. Bleh. I'm gonna cross here too because I'm on the wrong side. Bleh. It's only been 2 minutes. My God. Okay, I cross. So I promise. Ooh, just